what a game, what a victory this is for City there. Kevin De Bruyne, absolutely wonderful, wonderful piece of goal is from Kevin De Bruyne there in the end. Just 18 for the status upgrades from man, and what a start, what a game. So that's it. I'm wonderfully take care. I'll give you all the status upgrades and start there from the latest games here in the end. So City they are had with 4 goals to 1 there in the end. What a sensation, sensation. This is from Kevin De Bruyne there against Crystal Palace. Wonderful, wonderful piece of setup. City they have won the game 3 goals to 1 there against Crystal Palace. It's a stunning, stunning piece of a game and stunning piece of goal. So stay tuned for the status updates from mine. I'll give you all the status stats and updates. So yes, what a skip, what a sensational piece of game this was City there and the comfortable win there at the end. So that's it. I want to put it. Take care.